Hey guys, I finally got my hands on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's been on my wish list for a very long time, but here we go. I did a little unboxing video for my Instagram, TikTok. So here she is, my new DJI. I got the creator combo and it comes with pretty much everything I would need. It has this extra attachment and then the little tripod. It also has the trusty mic that everyone loves so much. Yay! So let me turn that off for a second, but I kind of wanted to show you everything that it came with. So it comes with the little mic and this little fuzzy guy, and everything came in a little baggie. It comes with this little attachment and the little tripod attachment. It also comes with a little cover so that it protects the gimbal and the camera portion. And you can take off the tripod. You can charge all of these parts. It takes USB-C charging, so that's great. Travel-wise, it's just so convenient. But yeah, this little guy is pretty small. It's like the size of my hand if you take out this attachment part. And it'll just fit in any of my purses, which I'm so happy about. Some other accessories it comes with. It has this little drawstring that you can put on your wrist. I'm gonna get a cuter one later down the line. It also comes with this extra battery pack, which I believe only comes in the creator combo. I have the USB-C charging cable, wide angle lens. And again, I think this is a creator combo exclusive. So it also came with this little magnet that I believe is where you attach to the mic. So you can kind of clip it here. But yeah, it's a very strong magnet. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that comes with the DJI Osmo Pocket Creator Combo. I'm super excited to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and do test vlogs throughout the day. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. So I wanted to show you what we're eating for lunch today. This is a little test vlog of my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We have some mandu. I don't know if it'll focus. But we have some steamed mandu. We have kimchi, of course. And then we have puldak ramyeon. Let's bring you a little bit closer here. Ooh. We have a spicy carbonara puldak. Let's do a taste test. So good. Ooh. Some dumpling. Harley, come. So good. I think after this I'm gonna make some matcha, and then I'll have to do a Sunday reset video because there's so much to clean around the house right now. It's been so long since I had one. Oh my god, it's so good. Yes. So today is Sunday and my house is a complete disaster because it is like post-Christmas and just we haven't gotten to do any cleaning the past week. So hopefully, Luna, stop please. Hopefully I can go ahead and do some cleaning today, a little Sunday reset if you will. I'm still trying to figure out why. Okay. I think this is better. I'm still trying to figure out the DJI Osmo. Like, do you guys see this? My island is atrocious. But I'm still trying to figure out the settings and like the angles for my DJI. It's on face tracking right now, so let's see. If I put you on my little ledge over here. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. So it'll like track my movement and just kind of stay with me, which is awesome. Ooh. So far, I'm really enjoying playing around with the DJI. I think the lighting and the coloring I still have to like get used to and like adjust, but yeah. Everyone say hi to Luna Bear. Their little tail thumping. Thumpy, thumpy, thumpy. Oh, you want your little belly rubs? You want the little belly rubs? Hi. Hi. Oh, belly rub. You make such funny sounds. Hello. Oh, hey. Hey. You're being so silly. This is like her happy noise. Hi. You're crazy. Luna. Luna, sit. Luna. Luna, sit. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. You're so cute. Hi, Delilah. Hi, Delilah. Hi. You want to say hi? Hi. My little fluff ball. She's our oldest. She's 15. My first baby. And here's our Luna Bear. We rescued her from Turkey. Oh, this one. This one. Sit. We have our fireplace on right now because it is like 30 degrees outside. It's so cold. I can't take it. Feels so good over here. I got recently. They look like golden retrievers. So cute. Hi. Hi. Luna.